How to change account location on Roblox. Now, the very first thing you want to do is, of course, access your Roblox account using the Roblox web or through the Roblox software. Now, I'm currently using Google Chrome in this video. You can choose on any preferred web browser that you can use and just simply type in roblox.com and make sure that you have successfully logged into your account. The first thing that we want to do is we'll need to locate on what is the current location we are at right now on our Roblox account. To do so, just head directly to the gear icon, which will take you to the settings. Click on that. And once you are redirected to Roblox settings, just scroll all the way down. And as you can see, the account location is showing us where the account was assigned. Now, there is no instant options for us just to simply changing a location on Roblox. Then scroll all the way down and go to the help, which will take us out to the help center. Now in here, what you want to do next is go to search our articles and just type in account location. Hit on enter and choose on the account locations tab. And here we'll just have to go directly to the support form, which is gonna be this link right here. Click on that, and then you will be redirected to a certain form in which you'll have to fill out your username, first name, email address, just confirm your email address again, and in here, what device are you having trouble on? You can choose PC and just choose on how to in here, how to change my location, and you'll just have to explain thoroughly here that Roblox have incorrectly linked into a different location, and then just input the current location you want to be changed and just choose on continue. You'll just have to wait for the Roblox support to get back to you once the location has successfully changed. And that's it. That's how you change locations on Roblox.